Okay, everyone, fire alarms are only for emergencies. They are not made so you can play with them. No, fire alarms are for emergencies only. So they should never ever be messed around with. If you have your own fire alarms at home, it is okay to mess with them, but in a public building, it is a felony to mess with them. These things are only for emergencies. These things alert people that there is a fire in the building and they must evacuate immediately. So these things save lives. So if you pull the fire alarm for fun, you will get into serious trouble, you will get fined, and you will get arrested. And you are responsible for endangering people's lives somewhere else. And if you do it at school, you will get suspended and expelled from school, and you will get grounded by your parents. If you do this at work, you will get fired from your job. If you do this in any public building, you will be kicked out and you will never be allowed to come back. Remember, fire alarms are not something to mess with. They are only for emergencies. So never ever play with them. Bye.